Are you ready to reclaim your focus and banish Instagram distractions from your Chrome browser once and for all? Let's dive into some super effective ways to block the Instagram website, boosting your productivity in just a few simple steps. First up, extensions. Head over to the Chrome Web Store and search for BlockSite. This is a popular and reliable extension for blocking websites. Click Add to Chrome and confirm the installation once installed. BlockSite will usually prompt you to set it up. Follow the on-screen instructions. Now inside BlockSite, you'll find a field where you can add websites to block. Type Instagram.com and hit enter or click the plus button. Bam! Instagram is now blocked. Try navigating to Instagram.com. You should now see BlockSite's block page, or potentially a page you've customized, redirecting you somewhere more productive. Let's explore another option: manually adjusting browser settings. Click the three dots in the top right corner of Chrome to open the menu. Navigate down to Settings, then find Privacy and Security and click on it. Next, find Site Settings. Scroll down to Permissions. Note that you can clear data and manage permissions for specific sites here. But direct blocking within Chrome's native settings isn't as straightforward as using an extension. For even more control, BlockSite offers features like scheduling blocks for specific times of day, requiring a password to unblock, and even sensing your block list across devices. These advanced features are great for staying truly focused. So there you have it, a few quick and easy ways to keep Instagram from stealing your attention in Chrome. Choose the method that works best for you, and get ready to experience a serious productivity boost. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more Chrome tips.